The rules are simple. The other person gets a point when you laugh at their joke or your own joke. You get a point if you guess the punchline of the other person's joke.
Why did the Scarecrow get promoted?
I have no idea.
Because he was outstanding in his field.
What do you call a fly without wings?
A nothing?
It's a walk. One.
What kind of car does an egg drive?
Don't know.
A Volkswagen.
What did Batman say to Robin before they got in the car?
I don't know.
Robin, get in the car.
Okay, that is a horrible joke. Okay, this is horrible joke. It's probably one of the worst, and I don't even get it. How did Ebenezer Scrooge win the football game?
No idea.
The ghost of Christmas past. Like, who gets that?
What's brown and sticky?
Poop.
A stick.
A what?
A stick.
Oh, okay. No. Hey God, that was so bad. Okay. What should a sick bird do?
What should a sick bird do?
Get a treatment.
I don't get it at all. What's green and has wheels?
A booger.
Grass. I lied about the wheels.
Okay, nice. What do you call a person with the briefcase in a tree?
Person with a briefcase in a tree?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
A branch manager.
I got fired from my job at the bank today. An old lady came in and asked me to check her balance, so I pushed it over.
Oh, okay. What did the teacher do with the students' report on cheese?
She said moo.
Hmm?
She said moo.
Nope, she grated it. Mm-hmm.
I used to be addicted to hokey pokey, but then I turned myself around.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
I can't.
Mm-hmm. What's the easiest way to make a glowworm happy?
I don't know.
Cut off its tail, it will be delighted.
What do you call a man with a rubber toe?
I don't know.
Birdo.
My daughter thinks I won't give her enough privacy.
Okay.
At least that's what she wrote in her diary.
What do you call a boomerang that doesn't come back?
A stick. Why? Oh no. Why can't you trust an atom?
Oh, I know this. Why can't you trust an atom? Because, oh, come on. What is it?
Yes, yes, yes. Because they make everything up.
What was your mommy's favorite type of music?